welcome to another Mary Shortle tutorial. This time we're covering how to look after your baby's hair. Every reborn at Mary Shortle has hand-rooted hair, which means it has to be kept in perfect condition. This is why we suggest using the Mary Shortle conditioner. Spray evenly across the hair until the hair is damp, and then use a soft brush. We recommend the Mary Shortle ones that we sell in store. Go from the middle and brush down evenly to get rid of any knots or tangles. It's important to do this as often as you can to make sure that the hair doesn't get tangled and to keep it styled beautifully. You can do it any way you want to do it. I've chosen to do a little bit of a side parting on Lisa to make her features look more stunning. Once the hair's smoothed down and placed evenly and styled how you want, you can put any accessories in. We've chosen a little headband to match her outfit. And there you go, as good as new.